Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, I'm showcasing a home. It's going for 16,805,433 Jamaican dollars. Alright, and it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment in the Kingston and St area. Now, I didn't plan on doing a video today, but I thought this was a really good one and I just wanted to share it really quick. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video and let's take a look at this property. This is an apartment located on Kingston Close in the Kingston St area. It's going for $109,000 or 190 US dollars. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment, and I think that it will be most suitable for future rentals, or if you want this home to be your starter home, it will be good for that as well. Now, where is Kingston Close, you guys might ask? Now, based on my research, it is just off Haye Park Road. And you know, Haye Park Road is just outside of the Halfway Tree area, Halfway Tree Center. So let's take a look at this house. So you see, once you enter, you will enter into a hallway which will lead to your living and dining area. As you can see, you have ceramic tiles, ceiling fans, and AC units are already installed in the unit. What I like about this property, it's modern, it's renovated, it has everything. It's also everything that you need, but it's quite suitable for the person who is looking for something that's move-in ready. Yeah, it's quite move-in ready. Look at this kitchen. You have lots of built-ins, granite countertops, and this lovely cabinetry built-in area for wine, plates, dishes. Just a really lovely design. Now, taking a look at the primary bedroom, we can see here that it's a smaller space, but it does have your closet built-ins here. As you can see, your AC unit and your ceiling fan already installed. It's just enough space to fit like a queen bed, nightstands, and a chest of drawer, right? And you do have, you know, smaller windows right there as well. So again, this is a smaller home. It's an apartment in the Kingston area. We know it's going to be small, but it's workable. It's workable. All right. And you have to think about this too, guys. With this apartment, you don't have a lot of work to do. You don't have a lot of renovations. None at all, really. This is quite move-in ready. So we just saw the primary bathroom and it had, you know, a glass shower enclosure. And now this is the secondary bedroom. Again, it has a closet with mirrors, AC unit installed, space for two call those twin beds, right? Or probably if you wanted to do one full size bed, you could do that. And then this is the second bathroom, smaller, just enough space to fit a small glass enclosure and a small cabinet right there. So really nice modern home with modern fixtures. So I really like this one, and I wanted to show you guys because I know that not everyone would be interested in fixer-uppers as I sometimes show, and it's for a really decent price in the Kingston and St area. Really nice, clean, move-in ready home. So guys, as you know, if you're interested in this property or in any property that I show in my videos, you're going to look in the description box to contact the realtor. You're going to see a link, all right, and you're going to click that link, and then that will take you to the realtor page where you guys can contact the realtor to get more information and to do a viewing. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You guys, I have tons more videos in store. Today actually was vlogging, getting back in the habit of going back out in public and vlogging. I was going through a little phase, okay, and a little rough patch where I wasn't really comfortable vlogging, and there was like a lot going on in my life. But it's summer, we'll be vlogging, we'll be outside, so stay tuned for lots and lots of video. All right, remember to share this video with someone who will find it beneficial and helpful. And until my next video, you guys, bye.